संडे की तरह वी आर बैक विद एन अनटोल्ड स्टोरी. हु ऑल लव्स अंदाज अपना अपना? हम सबकी फेवरेट मूवी है. पर क्या आप जानते हो कि जब ये मूवी आई थी, चारों लीड स्टार्स एक दूसरे से बात नहीं करते थे. जी हाँ, आमिर सलमान की तो अलग इश्यूज थे, पर करिश्मा रवीना के इशू के पीछे एक बहुत बड़ा नाम था, अजय देवगन. अजय एंड रवीना वर इन अ रिलेशनशिप. बहुत सॉलिड रिलेशनशिप था. फिर अजय ने उसे डंप करके करिश्मा के साथ अफेयर शुरू कर दिया. करिश्मा और अजय सुहाग फिल्म में काम कर रहे थे. इस तरह से डंप होके रवीना को इतना बड़ा धक्का लगा कि उन्होंने अपनी जान लेने की कोशिश की. दोनों अजय और रवीना के बीच पब्लिकली वॉर ऑफ वर्ड्स भी हुए. लड़ाई दोनों में इतनी बढ़ गई कि अजय ने पब्लिकली कह दिया कि रवीना शुड कंसल्ट अ साइकियाट्रिस्ट. ही सेड, "Everyone knows that she's a born liar. That's why her silly statements don't upset me too much. But this time, she has gone too far. She's crossed the limits of decency. It's high time I gave her some advice. This girl must go to a psychiatrist immediately to get her examined. Otherwise, she will land up in a lunatic asylum. I'm quite willing to accompany her to the shrink's office." और रवीना ने कहा कि इन दोनों ने अपने रिलेशनशिप के दौरान बहुत लव लेटर्स लिखे थे एक दूसरे को. तब अजय ने प्रूफ मांगा था ये लव लेटर्स का. उन्होंने कहा, "लेटर्स? हाँ, व्हाट लेटर्स? टेल दैट गर्ल दैट शी शुड गो अहेड एंड पब्लिश दोज लेटर्स. Even I want to read the figment of her imagination. Our families have known each other for years. She used to come over to our place because she's a friend of my sister, Neelam. When she started behaving badly, we couldn't throw her out, could we? I was never close to her. Ask her if I've ever called her up or talked to her on my own. She's trying to get publicity by linking her name with mine." उसकी जान लेने की कोशिश वाला अटेम्प्ट भी एक पब्लिसिटी गिमिक था. जब अजय से पूछा गया कि आखिर रवीना ये सब क्यों कर रही है, तब अजय ने कहा, "I don't know. Maybe it's just that I've never been interested in her. I did not fall for her." Ajay had also added that he had no issues with most of his heroines except Manisha Koirala and Raveena Tandon. He said, "Excuse me, except for Raveena and Manisha, no heroine has complained about me. I get along with all my leading ladies, including Juhi Chawla. I'm doing more than one film with several popular heroines, but not with these two girls. If Manisha and Raveena were the only heroines left on earth, I wouldn't work with them. Both are very similar temperately. They are master liars by birth and are frustrated. I don't like artificial people. I vibe well with genuine people." ये दोनों की लड़ाई ने करिश्मा और रवीना के बीच में भी प्रॉब्लम्स कर दी. रवीना ने करिश्मा का नाम लिए बगैर कहा था, "I won't name the heroine. But because she was insecure, she had me removed from 4 films. As a matter of fact, I was to do one of the films with her. She was closer to the producer and the hero apparently. So these things do happen, but I'm not into playing these sort of games." एक बार रवीना ने करिश्मा के साथ पोज करने से भी मना कर दिया था. उन्होंने कहा, "It doesn't make me superstar if I pose with a Karishma Kapoor today. She doesn't feature in my life in any which way. I'm a professional. I don't care. I would pose with a broomstick if need be. Karishma and I are not the best of friends. Ditto with Ajay. Professionally, I'm ready to work with a Ajay or a Karishma. Where work is concerned, I don't bother about these stupid ego problems."
रवीना टंडन ने गुस्से में ये भी कहा कि if Ajay Devgan and Karishma Kapoor have babies, they will look like zebras.
Well, करिश्मा और अजय की भी रिलेशनशिप नहीं चली. Raveena then fell in love with Akshay and again was dumped because Akshay chose Shilpa Shetty over her. Karishma moved on. Ajay got married to Kajol, who coincidentally once confessed to having a crush on Akshay Kumar. Uff, Bollywood or इनके links. For more such untold stories, subscribe to Glamour Alert.